Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new vlog. I hope you guys are all doing well today, guys. So we are actually going to head out. We're going to Ikea today, and we're going to a few more other stores. We'll go ahead and start with outfit of today. So my outfit of today is this cute flowy multicolor dress from Shein. It's definitely giving vacation. I am still in vacation mode. If you guys don't know, I did go to Colombia for my birthday, and I spent the week there solo. It was very, very nice. Very grateful for that experience. So dress is from Shein. I have on my Coach bracelet and this little bracelet here. Also, I put my hair in a ponytail. Sister did my braids. And my regular necklace that I wear. And the purse I'm actually going to wear, I did bring this out of my closet from like a super long time ago. So I'm going to wear this all black purse because I feel like all black just went with this look. Also, I'm going to wear these sandals from Target. It's just like some low profile sandals. You're not really going to see them, so I'm going to wear those. And also, guys, the perfume for today is going to be the Floral Marshmallow. This is actually a dupe to Kalani Love Don't Be Shy by Dossier. So this is the perfume that we're doing. So this is the look, perfume, etc. That we're doing for this look. Like I said, I want to go to Ikea. Also, I have a new food recipe that I want to show you guys. It's so delicious. And I kind of want to get started on this DIY project in my living room, I think, on my TV wall. So I hope you guys are all doing well today. I want to thank you guys for coming back to a new video and showing support. So let's head out. It's kind of warm today, but not too warm. But yeah, you can tell fall is probably like right around the corner. So let's head out for the day. Hey y'all, so we are now at Ikea. The time right now currently is so bright out here. And I got hotter today. But the time right now is 5:27. And we're actually about to head in now. I really want to bring my water. Oh man, I want to bring my water so bad. Anyways, the time right now is 5:27. And stuff like that. Like I said, we don't really have anything particular that we're getting today. Just catching vibes. So, oh, look at the sun. Oof, girl. But yeah, so we're just heading in and stuff. Dress looking real cute. So let's head in. what I was trying to explain to y'all, and then I realized my mic wasn't plugged in, was that this is the shelf that I want to get for my project in my living room on my wall. It's this black one up here up under this white one. It's called the Lac Shelf, and I want to get this and create like a space. Good morning, loves. I hope you guys are all doing well today, y'all. So I am actually trying to do some things this morning before I go to work. So I do have work today. I'm actually trying to cook a little breakfast. I did my flowers. You guys see my flowers. I ended up going to Trader Joe's yesterday to get some flowers. And I had got like a little vase. But right now, well, first off, your girl got her robe on. So I got this robe from Macy's in the Eastern Mall. So this is my robe. So y'all, right now I am actually cooking breakfast. Well, trying to get it started, but I have this new air fryer that I have. I'm not sure if I showed you guys this, but I got this new air fryer right here, and it came from Target. And I wanted to do some Trader Joe's potatoes. I don't even know what they call. Honestly, I forgot. I think they call hash browns. So I want to do these hash browns. And and I wanted to do some brioche French toast if we have time. So I'm gonna cook these for a couple minutes. Hey Google, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Sure, 10 minutes. And we're starting now.
Oh, also too, let me show you guys what we ended up getting yesterday. So yesterday, you guys know that we had went to Ikea yesterday. This mug from Ikea yesterday, really cute. I thought it was just cute and unique as far as the shape goes. Girl, can you focus? God. I thought it was really cute as far as the shape goes, and it has like this really like cute, I gotta pay attention to that time. It has like this really cute like ring on it. And then I end up getting this spatula right here, which I feel like I needed for my sandwiches. Plus, I need a new spatula because, y'all, my spatula is so bad. But, yeah, this was actually on sale for like $1.20 something. So, I got that. Okay, y'all. So, I purchased this black shelf yesterday as well from Ikea. It was $30. This shelf is actually called the... Let me see if I can get the... do not be prepared. This is called the Lac shelf. And this is what I kind of want to put in my living room. I just hope you guys can see. Anyways, it has plastic on it right now, but this is the Lac shelf. I believe it's about 74 inches. I got it from Ikea, and it is like a black wood grain like color and material. And y'all, let me tell you my goal. My goal is to put it literally on this wall right here. Why is it so dark in here? So my goal is to put it on this wall. So you guys see how big this wall is? You see how big it is? Big, plain, ain't doing nothing, okay? But it's fine. But my goal, y'all, is to really take this wall and create a fireplace wall. And what I mean by that is, so I want to take the shelf we just got from Ikea yesterday and basically put it like right in the middle of the wall. I want to get the TV mounted, okay? Like I said, the shelf is about 75 inches. I want to get the TV mounted, and I want to take this fire insert out, and I want to get it installed inside my wall. I know it sounds crazy, and I gotta find somebody to do it. I have somebody in mind. They're supposed to come over this weekend. We'll see what they do. But that's the plan, y'all. Like I said, the shelf is pretty big, and the shelf is actually longer than this. That's the funny part. But the shelf is going to act as if like, it's going to act like, well, it's going to be a shelf, but and then like the TV will be above it, and then I want this fireplace insert to go, to go in the middle. At the bottom. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's the plan for the shelf, y'all. So imagine this long shelf right here, right? Imagine this long shelf being on that wall with the TV above it. Like, can you imagine the decor we can put on here for Christmas, etc.? Seasonal decor, etc. Just the general decor. But because the TV is only a 50-inch and it will go like right in between this, we'll have room on each side to catch a vibe. Okay, so that's what I'm excited about. The food is done, but yeah, so imagine that with this. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna get this food real quick. Hey y'all, and welcome to a brand new day, y'all. So we got a few things going on today. First things first, my contractor did not come today. Today's Saturday, and then tomorrow I'm getting my grass cut. But I was really I really wanted to get this shelf up this weekend. Me being a 9-to-5 girly now, I don't have a lot of time. I barely have time to film. Literally. I be like having to work extra hard just to get a video out for y'all. Like, I'm not even capping. So it is important that I get stuff done during the weekends. So I really don't even have time to chill. I gotta really take time for myself. But y'all, I am attempting to put this shelf up by myself. I don't like waiting on people, especially when I got a vision and I got something that I'm trying to do. And then I'm the kind of girl where once I get something on my brain and embedded in my mind, I'm going after it immediately. Immediately. I'm not even playing with it. If I say I want to get something done, I want to get it done. If you don't want to get it done, I'll find somebody else to get it done, or I'm going to do it myself. Like, this is why I want to be able to do everything by myself. Because I don't like suffering. I don't like going without. I just don't like it. That's why it is important for me to have everything that I need and move how I want to move, okay? So enough of that. That was just a little rant because I'm frustrated. So I put the mount on the wall. And I'm about to attempt to put up the shelf. So let me show y'all what I got. I hope you guys are all doing well today. Sorry. I just got so much in my brain I can't even contain. But so this is what's going on, y'all. So we have our little fireplace. Okay. Mind you, my contractor did not come this weekend, so we're not getting TV mounted. We're not doing any of that. And I know everything is a process, but I'll find somebody else to do like my TV and stuff. But the shelf, I'm about to do that myself. I'm about to do it myself, and I'm not playing. Now, I am not a measuring pro kind of girl, but I do feel like I got it in the middle as good as possible. Okay. Now, this is the bracket. This is the floating shelf. Okay. And the bracket is about 50 inches. The shelf is about 75. This is where I put the shelf. I have not put the screws in. I just put nails in for now, just to see where I wanted to place it. My wall is not completely flat, so I'm also I'm also having to be challenged with that because my wall is not completely flat. And that's what's going on. So y'all, we gonna try to, so I'm gonna keep it how it is. I'm not moving it. I'm not about to adjust. It took a lot to even get this. Can I be honest? I'm not a mounting, hanging up stuff kind of girl. Now pictures, canvases, all that, decor, all that, yeah. But when it comes to shelves and TV, that is not my lane, okay? But I will try. I will try anything before I don't try. So let's go ahead and really put these screws in and see what it's looking like. Y'all, I think I just found the stud. I think I just found the stud. Yeah, I think I just found the stud. Cause when I just went back, it was like, yay, 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 yay. Yeah. So that middle is secure. That's what I'm talking about. I can do anything, baby. So this is how the shelf turned out. Sorry about the blur. It's blurring because it ain't got nothing to focus on. But this is how the shelf turned out. I think she turned out really, really nicely. She looks really good. I love just how sleek and modern the shelf look. I think that is so nice. I remember my old house, I had something like this, but it was very thinner. And that's because I took a piece of plywood and just painted over it matte black. But y'all, this lac shelf from Ikea, it is really, really, really nice. And the quality is just very nice. I love the wood grain in there. It looks very nice. And I love that it's long. I mean, come on. I mean, go big or go home. Like, the only size that they had, I think, was like maybe like a 43. And then I seen a 70 something. I said, oh yeah, I gotta have a 75 for sure. Because I knew that this wall was kind of long. And I was like, I mean, even if, like, honestly, for me, even if, let me come over here. Even if the shelf, hope you guys can see. Even if the shelf kind of went further on both sides, I would have even been okay with that as well. But I would have been okay with that too, y'all, honestly. Like, if it was like the same size on both sides. Because I feel like the more that it goes across, it just makes the wall look just like very nice. a very nice focal point. But yeah, that is how she's looking. Now I want to put a couple items on there. Y'all know I'm itching to put some stuff on. Y'all know I'm itching to put some decor on there, and I promise the things that I want to put on there is just so exciting. Also, I'm just excited about the fall seasons that's coming about. Oh my gosh. Because I'm like, oh, we got a shelf now. Oh, it's about to go down. So I still want to get my TV mounted. I gotta find somebody to do it, and somebody that's reliable, etc. But I do want my TV mounted eventually. But y'all know, my old house, we didn't even have a TV. Like, I would put the TV up sometimes, but mainly my living room did not have a TV. Honestly, y'all, I'm not really a TV girl. I'm gonna be honest. I really like a good, nice, peace and quiet. I be trying to read books, but yeah, I just love peace and quiet. I know I'm already on TV and like social media, but I don't really care for a TV in here. So a TV not being in here is not going to be a bad thing for me. But yeah, I want to get some items and put them on here. And then, but yeah, I do think a TV above it would be really nice. Also too, I like the fact that I had kind of put it right in between, in the middle of the wall. And I think the balance is real nice. I want you guys to comment and let me know. Now let's go ahead and put some items on here. Good morning, y'all. So it's the next day, and the time right now is 10:46, almost 11. And my daddy's cut my grass right now, y'all. But I found, it's going dead already. I found this plant outside, and I think it's getting soft because I took it out the ground. This was in back of my house, like on the other side of my fence. And I'm like, what plant is this? Because I want to try to grow it. Like, isn't she so cute? Let me make sure this is. Now, let me just say, the last two plants that I had have died off. They died off when I was in Colombia for my birthday for a week because I couldn't water them or nothing. Plus, they was already struggling because I've been so busy. But yeah, I seen this plant and like, what is this? These are growing in my backyard. Are these considered wild plants? Or is this even a, I think it's a plant. Yeah, of course it's a plant. But is this considered just like a wild leaf situation? Anyways, the bottom looks like this. Oh my god, my hands are so ashy. The bottom looks like this right here. This is how the bottom look. I think I tore the root in half. But yeah, I wanted to plant this plant. So I was gonna put it inside of here. But I feel like it needs to be cut. But I'm afraid if I cut it, it's not gonna grow. But it's too long to plant. Oh, that's a strong. Can it still grow if it's cut? Can it still grow if it's cut? I don't know. Do roots grow on their own? I don't know, but I wanted a new plant and I was gonna put it inside of here. Like, how cute is this? It's sticking out the bottom, but how cute is this? So I was gonna take some soil. I got some soil from our garage. Hold on. And I was gonna put it in here. And I wanted to plant this plant, y'all. This is probably considered like a wild plant. I don't know. But I just seen it and I was like, this is so cute. And I just felt like we could plant this. May not be a good idea. All my plant ladies out there, let me know. Because I know y'all probably like, girl. But y'all, it's a plant, ain't it? That's not a plant. That looks like a plant to me. Like I said, it was growing in the back. But I got to put some more stuff on it so it can actually... I just want to... Honestly, I just want to see if it grows. Like, if I plant this, will this grow? I'm curious now. I'm curious. Anyways, I found it in the back. And then it's a lot of other stuff growing. But yeah, I think I have like very wild grass. Especially when it don't get cut. Oh, it'd be a mess. My daddy out there working extra hard today. Bless his heart. And I really got burnt up there. My neck and stuff is still burnt when I went out of town. But I think she'd be real cute if she grow. Look how cute she is. She's cute. Anyways, I'm going to plant her. And I'm going to see if she grow, y'all. I'm going to get some more soil. With some food. So we got some more food. I just went to the garage. We got some more food, y'all. And yeah. If my dad gets done in time, we'll go down to the market and grab some breakfast today. But I'm going to put some more food in here because right now she has a lot of room left. But let's see. Like, could this actually be a thing? I just want to see if it grow. I really do. I'm very interested in seeing will this grow. So hopefully, I'm sorry, y'all probably can't even see what I'm doing. I'm sorry, but cause you see how she's already floppy. I'm like, she might need some. Let me hurry up and get her some water. Let me get her some water. Let me try to get her some water. They said bring the food up, the soil up an inch above. So I want to make sure she has a strong foundation. Yeah, this is getting everywhere. I'm trying not to be messy. But yeah, my last plants had, but they was lasting a long, let me tell you about them last plants. They lasted a long time. They really did. Months, for real. And I was shocked. Like they was growing. It was actually nice to see, you know. But I'm curious about this, like, cause honestly, it's like soon as why they floppy now? It's like this just happened. I think these need to be back outside like immediately. So let's get these outside real quick. Let's get these on the porch. Like I said, it's only one of them. I didn't put multiples in here. I just put it one. I just put one just to see if she actually grows. So this is how she looks. Again, I don't know if this is something that has to be in the ground, because it literally came out the ground, but this is how she looks, and we're going to go ahead and water her. I'm gonna water her and then we're gonna take her outside. Okay, y'all, this is how we looking outside right now. Looks better. Y'all, why I feel like I have not been in my backyard in so long. It's been so long. I haven't even really been able to enjoy it. I'm not even lying. I've been working so hard, so busy. I have not been able to really enjoy the backyard. Anyways, hopefully on some fall nights we can catch some more vibes. But we've had a few little gatherings over here, but I would like to have more. But this is how the fire pit look. If you guys don't know, I built the fire pit myself and stuff like that. But as you guys can see, we burnt things and stuff. But the grass is looking better. Fence is looking good. I also have to find somebody to stain my fence before it gets cold, because I don't want it to buckle. And these are our chairs, our Adirondack chairs. And also I have basically everything kind of broken down. The furniture's covered with the cover. This is the chair to my egg chair that goes over there. And I need to clean this because it's a mess. Okay, I could charge it. This stuff ended up getting, I think that's rust, y'all. I think this rust had got one. I think this rust got one here from just sitting. But yeah, you said it was dead, Daddy? You said it was dead? Yeah. All right, I'm about to charge it. Somebody come look at this. A hard fail. My daddy said that I'm supposed to basically put it in some water so it can develop a root. So this is how the plant looks. Update. I knew it was falling. I knew I wasn't tripping, but yeah, totally collapsed on us. So yeah, this is how the plant looks. Like I said, I put some soil in her and some water, but it's not, I don't think it's gonna help her. But my dad said to put it in some water so it can, I guess, make a root. But yeah, now she's looking like she's exhausted. So that's the update on the plant. I'll put her in some water. Okay guys, it is a little bit later after we got our grass cut and stuff. I am actually going to head down to the market. I don't think I've took you guys to the market before, but we're going to go to the market today. Y'all, it's so hot. I've been rushing so much. But anyways, the dress I have on is from Shein. I actually wore this when I was on vacation. So it's like a really cute dress, all black. Also, I end up pairing with this outfit. Why is it so bright? Oh my goodness. This cute little bow that I end up getting from Target with these little earrings right here. They're so cute. With my everyday jewelry. Let's put this down some. And the dress is really nice. Yeah, I hope it's not too bright. But anyways, the dress is really cute. It has like this little string right here where you like tie. And this is how it looks fully. Hope you guys can see that. And yeah, I'm about to go out and get some food on a Sunday. I think the look is really cute. I want you guys to comment and let me know what do you guys think. I put my hair in a top ponytail. lay the other hair down. I'm going to wear my Amazon bag right here. And then I'm going to wear my Moosey sandals that I end up getting in Colombia. Also, this is the accessories. So we about to head out, y'all. And then this is how the look looks in the mirror. I went ahead and fixed my bow. I feel like it was kind of crooked earlier, so I did fix my bow. So yeah, she's cute and she's ready to go out for a Sunday. Y'all, it's so hot outside, so let's go. Yeah, we just had this storm come through, so I'm still down here because it just stormed. And I'm just sitting here right now. Hopefully my car didn't get hit by nothing. Because people's tent and stuff was outside flying and everything. It's scary. So we just down here. I'm about to go get in the car in a minute. But I just want to be safe. Because if you guys don't know, I do not like storms. And tornadoes really scare me as well. But yeah, in a minute we're gonna go get in the car. The food was really good. I wanted to go to Home Goods, but depending on the weather, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, we in Marshall's, and look what they starting to put out. Like, can we just wait a second? Like, wow. Look at the bull signs. I don't typically do Halloween, so I don't have to worry about this. Thankfully, because I wouldn't want to have to worry about that. But they putting out like Halloween stuff. It's cute though. Like, it's cute, but I'm so glad I do not decorate for Halloween. That is just a different level of decor. But I guess these are Halloween too. I think these actually light up. They do. Let's see if they got lights in them. But that's cute. And then over here, look at this right here. Like, wow. Wow. It's cute, but I am not a Halloween girl. This is cute too. I like this too. It says bull. It's really cute though. So that's cute. But also too, y'all, they just putting out fall stuff. I was looking at these table runners and I was just instantly like, oh yeah, I'm definitely trying to get into this season a little early this year, just so I can enjoy it for a while. I think last year I feel like I enjoyed it for a while as well. But another something else that I just seen that I just thought was really cute was this color. I think this color is really cute and cozy. Also, I seen this. I don't really care for this fabric though for some reason, but like I don't mind doing like a knitted throw, something like this. Like, this is cute. And then with our shell, I feel like I can do something with these, especially with the decor. That's gonna be good. And of course they got like a ton of plants. So let's go over here.
Yeah, I know, but then I have the tapestry.
Y'all look. Look at the Halloween. Look at the dog. This is so cute. It says trick or treat. That is so cute. And then they got the cat, and then they got the skeleton. It says cemetery. Oh, this is the black one. Wow. That's pretty. Then y'all know the pumpkins are super cute. Okay. I like this mirror right here. I do wish it was black though. These are all gold. That's unfortunate. Let's see. I like these pillows with the texture. I think those are nice. Also, I think these are nice as well. Definitely giving the fall vibes. Very cozy. I like that linen like material. That's really pretty. I like it. Even this is cute too. This is very cozy as well. I like those. Also, yeah, I want to show you guys the matcha that I be using. So you guys know when I make my matchas on camera. This is the matcha in the brand that I use. And they also sell it on Amazon. But it is in your local Marshalls or maybe TJ Maxx for $6. And on Amazon is way expensive. So just let you guys know. And they also have the sweeten. And then they have the unsweetened regular as well. So yeah, that's my matcha girls out there. And I'm just over here by the tea area. This is cute. Portable blender. So I'm just looking at a few things. Grains and superfoods. I want you guys to comment. Do you guys like these macaroons? I heard they were really good. Now, if you don't know, I am a sucker for trench. Y'all look at this trench jacket for $16 on a sale at Target. Would they consider this white? Because I would consider it cream. And I'm wondering if that's why it's on a sale. Let me see if the rest of them is on sale. So all of them is on sale. I think it's because it's like a spring jacket. But, I mean, that's really cute though. I like this jacket. Also, y'all, they got these really cute, I really want the black one. I have not seen it, but I want this in black. I want this so bad, but I want this in black though. It's like a vest. It's so cute, but I want that in black. If I can get that in black, I will be a happy girl. Happy, happy, happy girl. But I know I ain't gonna find it because last time I was here, they was sold out. So, what they clearance got? I just found this cute little shirt at Marshalls. Yeah. But you can tell that season is changing because they're definitely putting all of the summer stuff on sale. Yeah, by the time July come anyway, that's when they really start to put this stuff out. I want that vest so bad. We're gonna look at their decor, and I'm not gonna try to be here long because yeah, I want to get this video out and edit it before I go to work tomorrow. And this is actually the oil that I use for hydration by Ordinary. Imani here, guys. So I was not able to close out this video, so I wanted to close it out now. I want you guys to comment and let me know what you guys think about our new shelf that we created in our living room space. Should we put a fireplace insert in there, or should we just get a whole separate fireplace and put up under there? And should we mount the TV or not? Comment and let me know. And do you guys like the decor vibes and just the, you know, vibes that we can do for the fall season? Also, I hope you guys all enjoyed the market. It was really, really nice. Also, just let me know about the new decor that you guys seen in the stores that's actually coming out, etc. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Also, let me know about that plant. Like I said, my daddy said that I need to put it just in some water. But let me know, like, when you take plants out the ground, do they actually grow, or was they supposed to stay in the ground? Also, the food recipe. That is a pesto and tomato toast on a baguette. If you guys want to try it, it is so good. I will leave the recipe below if you guys are interested. I hope you guys all enjoyed. I want to say thank you guys for the love and support, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye, guys.